Hi, in this video, I will show you best VPN for China. And as we all know, there are lots of VPNs that we can use nowadays, but the question is, what are the VPNs that are good and available in China? So first, I'm going to show you this Proton VPN and Windscribe. So basically, both Proton VPN and Windscribe are highly regarded for their privacy features, but they face significant limitations in China. China's Great Firewall implements strict internet censorship, making it difficult for many VPNs to work reliably there. Although Proton VPN and Windscribe are solid options for general use with strong encryption and no logs policy, their ability to bypass the restriction in China is inconsistent due to ongoing efforts of China authorities to block VPN traffic. So for China, VPNs like ExpressVPN and NordVPN, which are known to have servers and obfuscation technologies designed to circumvent Chinese internet control. I'm going to explain later the advantage and benefits of using ExpressVPN and NordVPN. So as you can see here, Proton VPN and Windscribe, as what I've mentioned earlier, are really good VPNs. But as you can see, there is this limitation. And unfortunately, Proton VPN doesn't work in China. Proton VPN, unlike many other VPN providers, is not reliably available in China due to the country's strict internet censorship measures, like what I've said earlier. So basically, deep packet inspection, DPI, IP and server blocking, VPN ban, constant countermeasures are a few of the reasons why Proton VPN faces difficulties in China. Some VPNs, such as, like what I've mentioned earlier, ExpressVPN, NordVPN, use advanced obfuscation techniques to disguise VPN traffic, which can make them more effective in China. Same with the Windscribe, as you can see here, like Proton VPN and many other VPN services struggles to provide reliable access in China due to the country's internet censorship policies enforced by the Great Firewall. Same deep packet inspection, server and IP blocking, VPN crackdown, frequent updates to blocking methods are a few of the reasons why this Proton VPN and Windscribe are not available in China. So don't worry because like what I've mentioned earlier, we have this ExpressVPN and NordVPN and other VPNs that you can use if you are located or if you want to have a vacation there in China. Now, as you can see here, I am going to focus on how to use this NordVPN and why are you going to choose this one among all VPNs. It's easy to use. You just have to install this one, create an account, and then you need to upgrade your plan. Of course, you need to purchase and then connect to China. However, there is this one issue that we're going to face or you need to know, especially if you're using Windows. So you just have to go to this common Windows application issues to know what are the issues that this NordVPN is facing, especially if you're using this kind of device. But don't worry because there is always a solution for that. And before we proceed, please do check in the description down below for links to pricing and discounts on this VPN, especially this NordVPN. So as you can see here, going back, NordVPN is another strong option for bypassing China's Great Firewall, and it offers a number of features that make it effective for users in China. And these are the reasons why NordVPN is often recommended for use in China. So first, NordVPN provides obfuscated servers that are specifically designed to bypass internet censorship like the Great Firewall of China. Also, it has strong encryption and privacy. Double VPN option. For added security, NordVPN offers a double VPN feature, which routes your traffic through different VPN servers. Large server network. NordVPN has a vast network of over 5,000 servers worldwide, including servers in countries close to China like Japan and Hong Kong. And number five is consistent bypass of the Great Firewall. So these are just a few of the reasons why you choose this NordVPN. And I also highly recommend this one. Also, there is this ExpressVPN if you want. So, ExpressVPN is a popular choice for bypassing China's Great Firewall, same with the NordVPN, because of several key features and technologies that make it more reliable than many other VPNs in the country. It also offers advanced obfuscation technology, wide network servers, stealth servers, strong encryption, high speed, regular updates. So that's it. Again, if you want to avail this VPN, just check in the description down below. So again, both NordVPN and ExpressVPN are popular choices for bypassing China's Great Firewall due to their advanced technologies, reliable performance, and strong privacy features. And that's it. I hope you like this video. See you again in our next tutorials.